All right, take a look at a couple of videos on the post here I just found. Here we go. This shows that the bridge was temporarily supported on each end before they made the move. So they did have a test, if you will, from span to span. Unsupported span was as it was going to be installed. You're not missing anything on the audio. There you have. They're going to add the decals to the members. But here's a temporary bracing, and this is not in place yet. This is just, it's not in contact yet. And you won't see it in contact, I don't think, in this video, but just wanted to share. You can see the road in the background. And, okay, so they did temporarily test this. I tell you, they're tough with giving out data, aren't they? They're tough. Ugh. You gotta track this stuff down. You've got to really pull at it. You're not missing anything, but I'll turn up the volume for you. Okay, I'm going to skip the video a little bit, but the what you see is that's the for the pipe, the drainage down the center. And again, there's a temporary support showing that they did test this span as it's as it would be installed. So awesome on that part, but yet no cracking appeared. It's a very interesting subject. So now we're back to the point where did the cracking result as them changing the stresses on the bridge when they were transporting it. I'm going to tap out in just a minute, less than a minute, as you can see. Repair looks like a little minor repair, a little cosmetics. Let's pause that for a minute. This is the interesting member. This is the member that failed. This is the member number, well, this section. This is the section that failed. We're looking at it. I'm going to give you guys a video soon, next couple of days, showing that a lot of stuff's going on with some behind the scenes with one of these companies trying to, well, I don't want to give it away yet, so I'll give it away in a bit for you guys, maybe tomorrow or the next day.